everybody, this is Kate Hessler, Car-Tel Communications, bringing you an exclusive look at the Parrot Mini Drone. The Parrot Mini Drone is a great place to start for adults and children looking to explore the expanding realm of quadcopter drones. Your smartphone acts as the wireless controller, and then the drone charges via USB cable, so all you need is an Android device or an iPhone to operate it. You'll need the Free Flight 3 app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Install the app and follow the quick instructions to pair your phone with the drone. So now that we are paired and ready to go, let's get to what you really came here to watch. The aerial acrobatics of these miniature drones is impressive and can offer a user the ride of his or her lifetime. As always, this has been another Car-Tel Communications exclusive looking at the Parrot Mini Drone. Visit our site at cartel.com/blog for more information. I would like to thank all of the viewers and stay tuned for more technology news, demos, and promotions.